the pattern that is emerging is that there's a reluctance in part of the national government to bring resources to the counties. They are starving counties of resources. There was money which was allocated to the counties for road maintenance. If you ask a lot of people who are gathered here today, one of the biggest complaints is about the state of our roads. About the state of our roads. Now the national government is reluctant, and the National Assembly is also reluctant to make sure and to secure the funds which are made for road maintenance to come to the counties. Every day, everywhere I go, people are complaining about roads. When there's a road that is impassable, people are complaining to the county government rather than the national government. But many people do not know that the necessary resources for the maintenance of roads is not coming to the counties.